Hi, one of the things that you can do on AllegroLearn is create interactive content and use that directly on AllegroMeet. So let me demonstrate how that works. So first of all, I'm on AllegroLearn. I'm going to turn editing on and I'm going to add this activity called interactive content. So there are various activities that you can try out. You have things like flashcards, you have dialogue cards, you have drag and drop activities, drag the words activities, and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the memory game activity first. So I'll click on it and now I can give it a title. So let's just call it the fruits memory game. So what I can do next is I can add an image. So I've already downloaded the images and that's what you'll be seeing here. So I add an image for the first matching image and I can add one more for the second one as well. I can also put an audio track, right? So I've already recorded the audio tracks. I'm just going to upload them here. You can record the audio tracks easily using a software like voice recorder. So that's the software here. It's available on all Windows 10 devices. So the next thing that you can then do is you can add a short description. And as it says, this description will pop up once the two matching cards are found. So this is mango. So the second one that I can do is I can do rambutan. I can give it an audio track and call it rambutan. I can give the next one an image as well, rambutan, and I can give it an audio track. So there are actually various things that you can also do with an activity like this. So for instance, you could configure it such that the first card gives you an image and the second card gives you a sound. So the student must match the image with the sound. You can also make them match images with words or sounds with words. And there are various ways you can go about doing it. So here I'll just do it the simple way. So I'll just put strawberry and then I'll put the matching image strawberry and I'll call this strawberry. Okay, so once I'm done with everything, I will click save and return to course. And now I will see the activity here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add this onto the AllegroMeet classroom. So how do I do that? I've already started the AllegroMeet classroom here on the right, as you can see. So what I will do is I will click on the fruits memory game. I will click on embed and I can just simply copy all of the code here. So I can press Ctrl C to copy and let me just paste it here. And once it's copied in, it will appear right over here. So I've also started another screen for the student screen, and so this is what the student sees. So I can add in more students as well, and they will all see the same activity. So let's just try another student. And this student, let's call him student 2. Once it's in and it loads, he will also see this same activity. So now let's say you have 2 students, right? And how do you ensure that each student has an individual instance of the activity? This is simply done automatically. And basically you can see that if student 2 clicks on this rambutan, and now, yeah, that's the sound. You will see that if you go back to student 1, there is nothing there. So I can put these two side by side. So you have student 1 and you have student 2, right? So student 2 can be doing his activity on his own pace, and student 1 rambutan can also be doing his activity on his own pace. So if there are concerns about sounds interfering with one another, what the teacher can simply do is click on the student and you can mute the student. So let's say the student is unmuted. What you can then do is click on the student and you can mute him, right? And that would prevent the sounds from interfering with one another. Once you're done, you can click disable embed and it will return back to normal. And before we end this video, let me just demonstrate what the memory game would look like. So let me just try it out here. So let's say I'll click on this strawberry. So strawberry, rambutan, rambutan. So that's wrong. So let me try another one. Strawberry. Okay, strawberry, strawberry. Okay, yeah. So strawberry, and it's correct. So I can then try the next one. Rambutan, rambutan. Mango, mango. Yay. So good work and you're done.